Good morning, guys. Tell you what, it's early morning. It's about 3:30 a.m. here, and this is the second weekend of the Alabama opener in the area that I'm hunting. It's we're up here in the Bankhead National Forest, and it's April 3rd, matter of fact. And last weekend, I tell you what, because of this coronavirus outbreak, people are supposed to be staying at home, but I think a lot of them got out, and since turkey hunters are loners anyway, a lot of them got out, and I think they decided they either wanted to try turkey hunting for the first time, or just everybody in the world got out, because I've never in my life seen so many people out turkey hunting at one time. They're literally, this area that I'm hunting, if you did hear a bird, there was 10 people on top of the bird educating the bird, so it was very tough going last weekend. So I'm actually today going to be hunting with a good friend of mine, Elston Lathum, and he's a very good turkey hunter, and he's actually got one roosted this morning, but on public land, as pressured as they already are, and it's only the second weekend. They've already been educated a good bit, so it's probably going to be tough going for us, but I'm going to give it a shot. I actually took me a vacation day today to get away from work a little bit, get out and enjoy the woods, so maybe we'll get on some birds or something, and maybe something good go our way. With the way times are right now, we all need something good in our life, so let's get out here and try to enjoy what we can of it and make the best of it. Best thing is, don't ever give up. Keep at it, and good things will come to you. So hope all you guys are staying safe out there, and let's try to get us some turkeys this year. There comes Turkey Slayer.
Yeah, this one died of bronchitis again.
I'll get him out. Let's take a look at him. I'm gonna let Elston tell everybody what happened on that whole hunt there. So.
Oh no.
Boy, he's a
get good hooks.
Oh yeah, that's a good bird.
No, that hurts. Got me. Got some pretty close to it. Good bird.
All right, well, tell us what happened.
Well, we started out after one bird this morning and he ended up calling him a girlfriend in. That didn't work out. We went around prospecting, as they call it, trying to find one, wanting to work. We come up where two haulers come together, hit a glass call with nothing. Then we walked, what, 75 yards if that?
Something like that.
Put in a mouth call, hit it, and this in here, his buddy started gobbling. Worked him a pretty good while. Finally, after moving, I think 2 times, moving probably about 30 yards at a whack, finally had this one come in strutting.
Yeah, I got probably some pretty good footage of him coming in strutting, but I ain't gonna have the kill on camera, are we?
No, he gave us the slip, so I put the Winston County starvation crawl on him. He went up a bluff and I followed him. He got up there on top, started dancing with his 2 girlfriends, and
he didn't see you coming, did he?
no, he didn't have a chance. But that's what happened with him. I got him with my great grandpa's Ithaca shotgun, 20 gauge. So this bird's pretty special to me right here.
Yeah. And the other bird, there was 2 of them actually together. The other bird took and he kind of left us high and dry and took the top of that ridge where these birds was heading, the top of the bluff I should say. And when Elston shot, I cut at the bird and he started gobbling back. So we tried to put a move on him because he wasn't going to come back off that bluff we was on. And actually the bird was heading toward this road we're parked on right here. So I got up here on the road, was trying to get down and get in position to hopefully call to him, and hit my call a couple of times, and he wouldn't even answer the call up here from the road. Now he'd answer it from the holler down there, but he wouldn't answer from the road. But
that's your typical public land bird.
And then I did what you shouldn't do, is took 2 more steps. When I took 2 more steps, it runs across the road about 100 yards down from me, and I thought, well, this hunt's done for right now. But hey man, you can't beat getting one. At least we got a bird, and it's going to be a special one because you got it with your great granddaddy's gun, and that's one fine gun too.
Yep.
But hey man, congratulations.
Thank you.
I know we ain't supposed to be shaking hands because of coronavirus and all, but
I got a puncture wound from bronchitis here.
all right. All right guys, as always, we appreciate you watching our videos, and I appreciate my buddy Elston for taking me on a turkey hunt today. I'm glad that he got one. I wish we could have got 2, but it didn't work out that way. Maybe next time. But like always, if you enjoy our content, please hit that subscribe button, and hope to see you here again soon. Y'all take care and God bless.